Hello, Chief, trust me. Trust my team and I. We are very close to him. Yes. Don't worry, he will die. Don't worry, he will die. Leave it for me, trust me. He will die. Leave it for me.
Yes. That good. We go kill him after election. Yes, we go kill him. Yeah?
I agree to boss.
Thank you. Is Chief in?
Chief?
Yes.
Chief is in.
Who are you?
My name is Ozoma Chiku. I come because I see that they do interview. When they find agriculture people with the farm. I make me rush come here.
That's good. You're welcome.
It's okay. May we meet you?
Ozoma Chiku.
I mean, this is an interview. So, what institution did you graduate from? I mean, do you have your credentials? I mean, your papers. Did you come with them?
Are you okay?
Madam, it's like you don't understand what we're doing here. This is an interview. I expected you would have come with your credentials. I mean, your qualification papers. Did you come with them? Madam, don't you understand what I'm saying? She's kind of confused. Madam, I mean, did you come with your papers? I mean, your credentials? I think we should call the next person. Next person! Next!
For fear, until I find go interview grant, me when I go school. Go do interview for job. Certificate I don't get. Na farm certificate I get. I know na dream. For fear. Interview. Obro mo.
You come. You see, like I said, take these drugs judiciously, okay? Okay. One in the morning and one at night. Then the following day. All right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ah, Chidima, why is your face like this? I hope there's no problem.
My sister has been diagnosed of kidney infection, so my mother sent me to you to come and meet you if you can give us any drug.
Kidney what?
Kidney infection.
Okay. This is actually a serious case, okay? And it's something beyond my own power. My candid advice to you people is that you should take her to the hospital for dialysis to avoid operation. I mean transplant.
No, God, please. Please. Is there no drug you can give to her, my sister? Even if it's antibiotics, something she can take.
No. Like I said before, take her to the hospital. There's nothing I can do as regards this case.
I don't have money for hospital. I don't have money for hospital, my sister.
Chidima, see, crying is not going to solve this issue.
I'm not crying.
Okay, clean your face now. See the candid advice here now, You tell your mom to take her to the hospital, okay?
Yes.
I owe you nothing but the truth. There is nothing I can do as to this case, okay? I want to sell my drugs, but not to risk anybody's life. You're like a sister, a family to me, okay? So the best thing you guys need to do now is take her to the hospital, okay? With that, every issue will be corrected. Stop crying. No. It's beyond my case. It's beyond my case. It's not about the money. I want to sell my drug, like I said. But I can't do this. No. My profession does not permit this. It's beyond my case.
Hey.
Too much work. Much work. Tomorrow now, Mazi be quiz farm. And then I'll go tomorrow. Today never end. Today, I'll go for that farm, go work. Clear off for that farm, finish. Tomorrow, Mazi be quiz. And then I'll go. And then I'll sleep. Next tomorrow. Mazi in Zedu. And then I farm I'll go. But I am wide nose if I work finish. Make you don't pay me.
Where's the drugs?
Mama, the chemist man said the only way out is to take sister to the hospital. So this sickness will be corrected. That's the only solution to this problem right now.
Are you saying he didn't give you even paracetamol?
No, Mama, he didn't. Sorry. He said we should stop giving sister drugs, so wasn't the case.
So what do we do now? Eh? What do we do? Talk now.
Mama, if you ask me, I think we should take sister to the hospital as the chemist man has said. That is the only solution to this problem right now.
I'm coming from the farm. Now farm work. You don't forget. Now I'm farm work. Hey, when you coming?
I came in yesterday. I'm coming from your house now. Your mother said you went to the farm.
Mazi Zekwe. That's a big farm near Oji3. I go clear.
Eh? You cleared it?
All.
How long have you started?
Since morning.
Since morning?
I tell you.
Uzo. Only you.
Only me.
You finished it.
Finish am.
Lying. How many of you did it?
You want to insult me now? Only me now.
Only you.
Yes.
Ah, no. This is bad though. You're becoming a workaholic, eh?
Eh? How city? You look good.
Oh, I'm a city girl. What do you want to say? Say it. I know. I'm a city girl.
See my people, Udoka and Uzoma.
Off I'm kind.
It's a fun now.
Oh, more.
Hey. How fun?
It's a while.
Hey. How fun?
Oh, more.
Hey. How fun? Come out and hug us now, eh? Hey.
Udo. No. Go back. What is your problem? Nah, what for you, Zoma? So you haven't stopped this thing you're doing? Eh? So if I didn't stop you, you will hug me with... Hey. Nah, Zoma, eh? Just look at your body. You want to hug me? Do you know how much this is cost? This is saffin.
So I just told you now, eh? That's why she wanted to hug me here now. You're just hugging. It's how you hug people.
No, it's not proper now. You don't hug people like that, eh? Anyway, that's by the way. Where are people going to?
I'm going home, Afam.
Hey. Uzoma.
Yes.
How was the city? Well, as you can see, Afam has a long money now. No, okay, just hop in.
Okay. Listen now. Eh?
No, now. Must I talk to you before you have sense? Eh? Come out first. How can you enter the car like this? Even cutlass and hoe, you want to farm inside the car? Eh? See, just go home and take your bath. When you're done, we can hang out and chat like long-time friends. What are we friends for? If I leave you, just enter the car. Look at you now, even with your hoe. Nah, is this here a farmland? You want to farm inside my car? Take your bath, we'll see later.
I will pick you up,
Oh, just go, that's our... Just take your bath, eh? Take your bath. Okay.
They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there. They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer the house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody.
Mama.
Uzoma.
Mama.
What is it?
There's nothing.
Nothing. And you are like this?
I'm very okay.
You are okay? Okay, no problem. Udoka came to ask after you. Did she come to the farm?
Mama. If you know the insult and humiliation where Udoka give me today for farm, she and her farm, you know go stand there ask me, Udoka came here, she's here.
Her farm? When did he come back?
I tell you what in person do me for farm. You did ask me when he come back. What he concern me and when he come back, Mama? If I'm look me finish, say I'm dirty. You see, I know if you enter in car because I go infect in car with dirt. I say you are too dirty. Udoka, copy, Kaina.
Yeah! Yeah! Insult, yeah!
Udoka look me finish. Udoka say I am dirty like Easy Bida. Okay.
My daughter. Okay. Nothing like that. Shine! Hey, no. Good for you. Yes, good for you. When my brother and your uncle came to take you to the city, what did you tell him? You said city people are ritualists. That they do this and that.
How far?
How are you?
I'm coming. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Are you eating granuts?
No.
Anyway, where is my sister?
Inside.
Inside, eh? Do?
Sister! Adane!
Hey, you know my uncle in the city now? You know my uncle there for city, Uncle Mecca, Asaba.
Okay, that's big head. That's big head. Okay.
You won't carry me go city. Man, go start something. He said, it won't better my life.
Sigin.
City.
God forbid though.
You want to go to the city? So you've not heard? Eh? You want them to use you for rituals? Eh?
In the city?
You've not heard that they steal pants in the city to use and make money? You don't like your pants again. You want them to steal it.
Hey!
Uzoma, did you have Inzeko's daughter?
The one with the accident?
Exactly. Few days after she left for the city, she died.
And I heard they still had pants that they stole to do the money.
I leave that one. If you go to the city, big motor, they move anyhow, anywhere. They can't even jam you. Ha! So don't go anywhere or me, I don't want to die you.
Yeah. Everything I tell Nana, I don't clean up my mouth.
No, clean them all.
You see that my uncle in America? I don't spit and come out.
He better.
I go city again.
Thank God say you tell us so. That what are we friends for? Eh? Thank God say you just tell us. You go just steal your pan, use and do one or two before you know. You wake up, you stop breathing just like that too.
How will I wake up and stop breathing?
No, like I mean, like
I've already stand up and I stop breathing and now die again.
Let's leave that one. Anything you can make in the city, you can make it in this village. It's not pan. We'll be selling pan wines, everything together. We make the money.
Uzoma, there's fire on the mountain.
Where the shout?
Yo, Uzoma, there's fire on the mountain. No.
So, person die?
Afam don't die. Afam, no. Afam damaged Amadi's television, and he asked him to pay 85,000 naira.
Huh? It's 5 guinea.
1,000 naira.
I don't advise Afam. I don't speak to him. Say stop this thing what you did do. You know here, 85,000.
Uzo, Afam is the police station though. Eh? And Amadi said if he does not pay that 85,000 naira, he will not come out. He will not come out. Eh? I've managed to raise 25,000 naira. He said I should come and meet you and beg you so he can bring the remaining one.
60,000 naira.
Eh?
Make I bring her. To come out of a police station. How much be Okada? How much be Keke? How much be full house?
Uzo.
How much to buy a man being? I'll come bring 60,000.
Uzo is our friend.
The last 15,000 I gave him, he never give me back till now.
Afam has not paid you that money. He will join all and pay you now. Eh? When he comes out, he will pay you. Uzo, he's our friend now. Oh, okay. Let me kneel down. Please help him now. He will pay you back. Biko, thank you. Thank you.
Sister, Uzoma called me a ritualist. No. Uzoma, you called me a ritualist.
No. You are not.
Just because I want to take her to the city to teach her how to better herself. She's rotting here and she's calling me a ritualist.
You are not.
Sister, is she from this family? Because we don't have this in our blood. The way she behaves is weird. You call me a ritualist? No.
She did not call you a ritualist, please. I don't call him ritualist though. I did not call him ritualist.
You keep quiet.
I only say please, nobody should kill me.
Yeah.
Nobody should kill me.
Me? Me, ritualist.
My brain.
She's still saying it. I beg you are not a ritualist, please, my brother.
I don't want to die.
Biko.
Me, nobody go use my brain.
Ritualist. She's not talking to you. She's not talking to you. Me, ritualist. Opalana, not you, Biko.
I won't go use my left hand or my left leg. Use my brain. They can do money. I don't want to die. Me, nobody go use my mouth. I'll come be dumb. I not be dumb.
I no fear. I no fear.
I'm a stupid person, Mama. I be very stupid girl. But Udoka na senseless girl too. And Afam, he must pay me all my money. I don't want to hear anything. Nabia.
Uzoma. 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 No problem. Uzoma. Here. Where is she going to? Oh.
Uzoma, what is your problem? So you still haven't taken your bath? Eh? Don't you know you're a woman? What is your problem? Go and take your bath and come back. We can go to anywhere you like.
Thank you.
Is it hard?
Mr. Satin. Thank you. I don't come hug you now. You don't forget say since I small. Now you dey remind me. Uzoma, go take your bath. Go take your bath before I go bath. I come here to collect my money where you dey owe me. Now make me come.
Uzoma, what's your problem?
Yeah, Achom Biko. Achom. I call your name now. Your matter now after that we go settle am. You leave me enter motor. Uzoma, go have your bath. Oh? Uzoma, have your bath. Oh?
So Uzoma, because I asked you to go and take your bath, do yourself some good and come back, you're coming to me to remind me of how much?
Yes. 75,000.
So because of 75,000, do you know who you're talking to? Afam. Afame Funa, the long money.
Okay.
Is who you are because of 75,000.
Give me my 75,000. When you break person TV and I pay him, you do not give me back. 15,000 where I borrow you since you never still give me back. I've come to collect my 75,000 because nyemnya.
So because do you even smell yourself? Eh? Do you even smell yourself?
No.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Yes. This idiot with wide nose and big head has come to collect her money. Give this idiot that has wide nose and big head her money so this idiot can go. Okay. Give me my money.
I've seen you're here to insult me, but I will not tolerate that. I won't tolerate that. Let me go get your money for you. Just hold on for me. Me.
This idiot has come here for 75,000. Give this idiot that has big nose and wide head 75,000 so I can go.
Uzo, think it is there to do.
Baby, Achom. Please, I don't want any trouble. Your matter is after now I go settle am. I don't want any trouble, please.
Here's your money.
Give me. Thank you. When you first went to break person TV, this one come and cry. I give him 60,000. You refuse to pay me back. The first 15,000 when you borrow from my hand, you still don't pay me back until you break TV. Why I borrow you 60,000? So the money 75,000. Yemia.
So you're here to insult me?
Yemia.
Do you know the plans I have for you?
You're my father.
No, can you imagine this girl? Do you know the plans I have for you?
Thank you, sir.
Because of 75,000.
You were too hard on her.
No, what wrong did I do that I asked her to go and take your bath and come back?
I have spoken to her that way.
No, how did I speak to her? Is it wrong?
You were too hard on her. That's just the truth. You were hard.
So, okay.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best. No matter what you do, it's always.
Stop talking.
Mama. What I want to tell you is that I don't make up my mind to go city.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. I will give you my brother's phone number and address, so that we'll look for him.
But I go still go Udoka house now. Go tell her say tomorrow morning I go follow her to go city. Uncle address him give me before. He dey for top cupboard there. I'll carry her. If Udoka fit help me trace in house or city, I'll go there. If she no fit, anywhere she dey, I go sit down there with her the hustle. This insult done too much. Done too much.
Very, very happy now. Hey! Assam!
Mama.
Here! I'm so happy that you have decided to go to the city. At least to find something good to do with your life. Eh? The hustling now. One hand. Eh? Ha! Assam!
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there.
He said, make you come call me. Who? Doka, no go.
My sister has left for the city this morning.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Me and her family plan saying they will send you come call me. So that all of us go city together this morning.
Oh. She and brother family left for the city this morning.
So after 2 of them offend me, we will come settle. They apologize to me at Concrete. We come plan say we'll come out this morning. 2 of them come elope.
Auntie, I don't know anything about this. Huh? This morning, 9 of them come.
Hey! 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 Hey!
I hope there's no problem.
After Udoka and Afam discourage me, make I not follow my uncle go city. Me and the complaint say we'll go city together. They leave me go. Hey!
But no problem, no tension.
Hey! 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 I'll go to the city. I'll cross that bridge. I'll go to that city. I must to make up for that city. I'll go to that city. Hey!
Cause I'm hustling in dating, but they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay.
Afam, thank you for bringing me back. You saved my transport.
You're welcome. What are we friends for? So this is where you live?
Yes. You want to come in?
No, that won't be today. I have somewhere very important to attend to. But I'll come back later, some other time.
Afam.
No, I will come, but not today, my dear.
It's okay. All the same, thank you. Let me get my bag.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Uzoma. What is it?
Are you aware? Say Udoka and Afam go city today. You don't tell me.
Eh? They left you. Hey!
Now grow me a day so. They go that city, go walk.
Uzoma, sit down. Uzoma, you have not been to the city before. Eh? Wait, when Udoka come back, you talk to her so that...
City, na city. My uncle address it for inside this my bag. City, na city. As I go there, I go make her.
How do you know that it's the same place they live?
City. What do they call her? They call her town. City, na city. They say city. They go city. Uncle the city.
Uzoma. Uzoma. Hey! This girl, you have not been to the city before. Eh? Well, you're a smart girl. Hey! Let her go anyhow, you say how. Anyhow, you say how.
A good heart is good. what you do is always being good to go. A good heart is good. A good heart is good to go. A better heart is the best to you.
Hello there. Please, wipe your tears. Okay? Wipe your tears. Everything will be alright, okay?
No matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. I always
Wipe your tears, okay? Talk to me.
My sister is not feeling fine. She has kidney infection. My mom is with the doctor in his office.
Kidney.
Yes.
Wow. So, have they administered any drugs to her?
No, I'm waiting for my mom. She's with the doctor.
Oh. It's okay. Wipe your tears. Hmm?
No matter what you do, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you.
So my hands are tied here. There is nothing I can do. I'm sorry. Come in, please. Oh, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Is that your lab test result?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Madam, please, I would like you to excuse me. I want to attend to my patient, please. I'm sorry. I hope you understand. Sorry, please. Today?
Well, I thank God I'm out here today.
Okay. That's good. So how are you doing today?
Well, I'm fine. Bless God. We've seen today.
Okay.
How is work?
Fine. From the look of things, you don't have any serious problem like I told you before. So what's going to happen now is that there are some medications that you need to start start taking now. So what I will do is to prepare the bill and every necessary thing. Then I'll forward it to the nurses at the counter, and then they will tell you what next to do.
Oh, thank you very much.
So the prescriptions and everything, I'm just going to give it accurately, then you commence treatment.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Sorry, Doc. I want to add something. Huh?
Oh, fine. Go ahead.
There's a lady I saw.
One lady crying profusely. What is wrong with her?
Well, that's her mother that just stepped out of here. She suffers kidney stones, and they're having a challenge of wanting to raise the money and not having it and all manner of stories. So
and if I make this money, una go see say my hustle go pay. And if I make this money, una go see say my hustle go pay.
Hey! No,
tell me that kind of thing, I beg. I carry back. Madam, you don't carry any bag. What's you? You don't carry bag. Enter this motor, madam. Do. Oh, now we will go. Madam, I carry bag. Madam, you don't carry bag. Come here. This thing, my husband. Madam, come out. Driver, aside. Madam. Which side? Madam, you don't carry bag. Come. You don't carry bag. Which side? Madam, come on. Which side? Driver, no. Go where? I carry bag. Madam, you don't carry bag. Come here now. See wahala. Okay, see the bag inside this motor. She's not just in that motor. That's so sweet. Now, madam, come out. You want come out? I beg. Driver, no, go. Madam, what's your problem? My bag. Madam, come out. Say your bag waiting. They disturb me, madam. What's the way you want to carry your record? Comes from my blues now. My bag. What's that doing now? Madam, come on. Madam, calm down, man. What's up? Come see your bag. You see the bag here? Oh, now, madam. Bag not there, yeah, madam. Leave this thing. We're waiting now. Come out. I carry bag. You don't carry bag. If it's not me who you for this photo, you don't carry any bag. Madam, come on. Time to go.
But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money,
madam, this not gonna win you, madam. Come on, I want to. Madam, you don't come out there. Come on. If I make this money, they go.
They tell me slow down.
God bless you. Your pocket will never dry.
Amen.
You will never lack in this life. Hey,
it's okay. You're welcome. You see, your daughter's tears broke my heart. I felt it, okay? All I did was just for God. You don't need to thank me. It's all right. So I'll come with time to know how she's faring. So, Badiro, just to Nike, oh? It's all right.
Thank you.
Oh, so God. Bless you too. Well, God there? All right. Okay, thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm getting better. But I still feel pain on the leg.
Okay, let me just check your BP. Okay, that's not actually a problem, but like I always advise, you take more of water and the drugs would help break the stones. With time you'll be fine, okay? And madam, please ensure she gets something to eat after this time. The nurse will be coming to give her some injections and drip. She'll be fine.
Thank you, doctor. God bless you. God bless you, doctor. Thank you.
You'll be fine.
Uzoma, which kind of one be this now? Me, I won't go from here now. At least the village mosquito, now for night they bite person. This city mosquito, it gets horn. Now for hot afternoon they bite person. Too much bad people for this city. They don't take my bag. Uzoma, why you sleep? Ma'am? Uzoma, where you want to go from here? Ma'am?
But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle, so go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle, go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle, no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly.
My son, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Welcome, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
That's good.
My son, thank you very much.
Mama, I've told you to stop thanking me. Everything I'm doing is for God. I've said that countless times, please.
So how are you? How is your business?
Oh, business is fine. We bless God for today. Business is fine. You see, where's Chidinma?
Oh, Chidinma went to the village. I sent her to the village. I asked her to get us some clothes and also check on my farm.
Oh, I see. Okay, interesting. See, I was actually heading to work, so I decided to stop by, at least to get you people's provisions. I guess you'll need this. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, bless you too. Bless you too. The only good you'll do for me and your mother is to get well soon. I will. You promise?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Very good. Okay, Mama. Let me run along, yeah? All right, Ma. Bye.
Where you are? Thank you.
I want 7.
Oh, wait.
1,700.
Okay, no, now the fufu they ask how much?
Yes, no.
The 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
Okay. The fufu and the meat. What do you say you bring for me that time again? 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
No, I don't talk meat, you know, now you just use your mind, bring meat. But your madam there?
My madam?
Yeah.
She there kitchen.
I won't give her.
Give me money now.
No, I won't like I get her first.
No, you greet her first. Okay, we'll come my car. Auntie?
Hey.
Well done.
Oh. Hey, Auntie. I greet you. Auntie. I beg. The hunger.
Hunger what? I don't understand.
Auntie. As I enter here, I can't make you give me 3 fufu. I talk 3 fufu with my mouth. But I don't talk how many meat. If she give me water, I take swallow the fufu. I for swallow am too. As she can't give me the food, I can't eat. As I finish now, I can't say how much.
How much do you have?
From my calculation before I reach here,
And this morning night will be 400.
Wait, you carry 400 naira come. What it's? How many did she request for?
3 and 3 akpu. We don't even have. I have to go and buy outside.
3 akpu. 3 meat.
I no request for meat. I just talk say bitter leaf soup. I don't talk meat.
Wait. Do you think I run a charity organization here?
They rob me. They take my bag for road as I come here. They rob me. I think you know say I'm on the 1 meat.
1 meat na 700.
Yeah, I don't think I'm like that. They say for my village, grass cutter will big. 1 full one with the head, the blood, everything. Now 500.
Ah! Shut up! You give me my money. You will keep my money. Give your money. That's a good deal.
Ijoma.
Ma.
Carry her. Take her to the kitchen. Pack all the dirty plates. In fact, if you can ask our neighbors to add theirs to it, it will be better. So you wash it. You know what will happen? You will wash until you pay my 1,300.
That one's still better. I do that one.
What did you just say?
I don't get what they do. Make her wash the plate. You know whether this work now will come with accommodation and pick it.
Accommodation what? Would you get out of here? Go and wash the plate. Accommodation, okay. Move!
Enjoy you.
It's a long one.
You know what? I cannot wait to see that girl. Every time you're talking about this girl, every time. The problem is Uzo is not around. If she's here now, we'll take a good look at that girl to know if she's okay for you to marry.
I don't understand. When did we discuss that I'm going to marry her?
Yeah. Papa, that's your daily prayer now. You talk about it every time.
Can you be serious for once?
I'm serious now. Every time chica this, chica that, I eat chica, I sleep chica. You talk about her every time.
Because I helped the poor girl. That's why.
You're the first to help somebody.
No, seriously. It's because I helped her. Nothing attached.
It's okay. What time are you going to the hospital?
I'm going tomorrow. Why do you ask?
Tomorrow? You go to the hospital every day. Easy player. Your skill is not showing. Money don't come now. You are doing things.
Please. What will I offer you?
I would have said food, but I'm getting fat. Meanwhile, I told you something about Uzo now.
No, please. Do not talk about Ozo here, please.
How come she's our friend?
I said do not talk about Ozo. Ozo should go to hell.
Hey. She's our friend though. Don't talk about it.
Please. I just said do not talk about Ozo here. At least you need wine. Let me get you.
I don't need wine. Let's talk about Uzo. She's our friend.
I don't want to talk about Ozo. Don't you listen?
I said I should go.
Let me get you wine. So talk.
Come back. Let's talk about Uzo.
Stupid girl. No, you will fall. You will fall. What is wrong with you? See the plate I asked you to wash. You've not washed them. You've washed it. Where are you going to? You want to wash the plates? Sometimes I feel pity for you. Wash plates. I'm hungry. I gave you food. You ate. Even if and you using eating the food you've not washed. Come leave it. Don't wash again. Come. Go and take your bath. Go and take your bath. You're serving today. Go and take it. I don't care. She wants to vomit now.
I don't use my hand to take carry. Now waiting at the final see.
Yeah, you're smiling. You're smiling. Hey, Ma. Welcome.
My son, how are you?
Welcome.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
Wow, Chica, I'm glad you're smiling today.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you've done for us. God bless you so much. If not for you, I wonder where my family and I would have been able to get such money from.
Don't say that.
My God shall bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
You know, my brother is a nice guy and he hates to see tears. Trust me. You know, he kept talking about you. He told me everything. So I decided to come see this beautiful girl myself in his own words.
Udoka. Sorry, I didn't introduce her. She's my sister.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. Nice to meet you. Same here.
Chica, at least now that you're much more better, you have to be thinking of going home.
Yes. The doctor told us this morning that she was going to be discharged.
Whoa, nice. Good one.
So I hope you people are not lacking anything like the provisions and stuff. You still have them?
We still have some here.
Oh, okay.
Inside the...
Come, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Are you mad? What nonsense? Come. Where is the madam? Madam! Madam!
What's going on? What happened?
I carry food, come give mommy, so make I call you.
What food? Eh? The one you just sneezed into.
No, sir. I no sneeze on top, sir.
Okay, you brought her here to poison us.
No.
See, sir.
See.
I hold the food.
Hey! Oh!
In fact, anyway, I'm leaving. Don't worry.
Oga, please now.
I can't use my own money to buy my debts.
Oga,
it's not possible.
Let me change the food,
don't worry,
please.
Don't worry.
What have I done to you?
I brought the food.
Sneeze on my head. Uzoma, sneeze on my head.
Sorry, ma'am.
What have I done to you?
I'm not sorry.
If I have done you wrong, let me know. I will apologize. I've not done anything to you. She? Oh yeah, come and be leaving. Eh? Uzoma, leave my shop! Eh? Fast. Stand up. Move. Move before I see it. Move! Come, leave my shop. Did you come here with a bag? Oh yeah, move. No, you don't want to go. Wait. Oh yeah, move. Move. Oh yeah. You're still there. I will kill you with my hand. I will kill you. With my
How are you? Okay, I can see that. I have good news for you.
Okay.
You'll be discharged tomorrow morning.
Hey!
Yeah. Okay, I'll just prepare the bill now and hand it over to the nurse so you can go and make the payment.
It's okay, doctor. I will inform Alpha. Yeah, he said as soon as the bill is out, I should put a call to him.
Okay.
He will come and clear the bill.
That would be nice. She has to be coming for checkup every 2 weeks. So please endeavor to remind her. And also, very important, drinking of water. A lot of it at that. Chika, please don't store urine in your bladder for long. Okay?
Okay.
Very essential.
I will, doctor.
Very important. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, doctor.
God bless you.
What was it you were telling me on phone about Uzoma?
Balanaya, welcome. What happened? Emeka cannot find my daughter. She left for the city and now she's lost, Emeka. I can't find my daughter.
For the city? And she told you she was coming to my house?
Emeka.
Sister.
Yeah. Follow me. Come. Here! Emeka, sit down. Emeka.
Sister.
Emeka.
Sister.
I gave her your address and phone number personally. Yes. Uzoma didn't want to go. But after she told me how she was insulted, I encouraged her to go. As I'm talking to you, I cannot find my daughter again. Hey!
Sister, don't worry. Don't worry. We'll look for her. But sister, it's your fault. Yes, it's your fault. You are supposed to inform me that he was coming. That way I will prepare to wait for her, or pick her up at the park. Eh? You know the kind of person Uzoma is. Sometimes she's like stupid, stubborn, you know. So God knows what she has done now that is making her not to arrive whenever she's going. I don't know. But don't worry, we'll look for her, eh, sister? Don't worry.
Yeah! Uzoma.
But sister, wait. You said you gave her my address and my phone number. Huh?
I did.
Then there's a problem. Yes. Because if you gave her my address and my phone number, at least you would have called me or at least come to my place. Sister, we need to go and look for her. Yes. Wait, sister, wait. I will tell the police. Don't worry. I will report to the police first. And they will assist in looking for her. Okay? So don't worry. Let me hurry down. I'll go and look for her. Just
look for the police. Look for the report and the police. Hey! Uzo. Banano. It can't happen.
Bingo dambalaga, hey. Una go say my hustle go pay. Bingo dambalaga, hey. And if I make this money, bingo dambalaga, hey. Una go say my hustle go pay. Bingo dambalaga.
Good afternoon.
Who find?
Anybody.
Anybody?
The Oga.
Oga? Where come on? Let me find you.
Girl.
Okay, girl.
Good afternoon.
Madam, what do you want?
No, girl.
Girl?
Yes, sir.
What do you want?
I want to work.
You want to work?
Yes.
Should I fit this kind of work?
I fit.
This kind of work will not be for girls, not for boys.
Okay, I beg, I fit one. I fit.
Ah.
Yes.
Yep. And if I make this money, bingo dambalaga, hey. Una go say my hustle go pay. Bingo dambalaga, hey. And if I make this money, bingo dambalaga, hey. Una go say my hustle go pay. Bingo dambalaga, hey. They tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy.
Mama, you don't need to thank me. At least she's back in good health. That is what counts.
I can make a name. I'm still thanking you. About the female, man, God Almighty is the only one that will keep blessing you.
Amen.
He will continue blessing you.
Amen.
Ibuka.
Thank you, Mama.
Hi.
Thank you, Mama.
Brother, thank you so much. We are so grateful.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's a long money. You don't need to thank me. So, Mama, I have to run along. I have a brief meeting with some friends. So I'll come back anytime I can.
But
make sure you come back. Oh.
Sure, why not? All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Oh, hey, now say bye-bye. You won't see me off?
A good heart is good to A better heart is the best to Is the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good to A good heart is good. Good all the way. Onye bioma ga-emelele manowa. Maka no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What to do to please?
Emeka, you dey see wetin dey get dey do. You no sabi watch anything. Come see am. Who's about you too much? Too much. Don't worry, your salary will increase them. You increase them, don't worry.
They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling and dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey. If I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga.
Hey! Hey! Ne? Beckham.
Mama.
How? Who said that there is no God? But the Bible says it's only the fool. Hey!
Mama, you can say that again. Do you know that I never knew there are nice people in this world? But Abraham is a very nice person. So he deserves everything nice from us.
Of course.
Yes, he does.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing that young man, the man from this family, that will not give him. There is nothing he asks or he will ask from this family that he will not give it to him.
Yes.
Chika, you know what I mean now?
Mama, no. Mama, I don't know what you are saying. I don't know. What do you mean? See, you people should leave me alone. I beg you. I don't know what you people want.
Sister, why are you talking like this now? Brother Fam is a very nice person, so you need to be very nice to him. And you know what we are talking about.
Am I not nice?
You're nice, but just extra nice, sister.
Tomorrow you will tell me that you are in love with, what is that his name? Obi or Obinna. Do you know how much Afam is going to spend on us? Do you know? I will kill any man that will come here and tell me that he is in love with you. When you were sick, Chika, where were they? Mama. When you were sick, where did they travel to?
Mama, why are you shouting? Calm down. See, there is absolutely nothing between Obinna and I again. We are done and dusted. Mama, it's true I used to be in love with him. I used to. Not anymore. The idiot, because he heard it was a kidney problem, he thought maybe you'll be asked to come and donate one of his kidney for me. Let me catch his dirty legs in this compound again. Idiot.
My sister spoken. My sister spoken.
Go. And I'll go.
What is it now? What is this?
Sorry.
Huh?
I don't finish already.
What's the meaning of this?
Sorry.
You are still washing the car
I don't
now?
finish. I just to pour on top of the body now. No verse, auntie.
What kind of a thing is this?
Sorry.
I knew when I parked this car here.
What's what is it?
You are still washing it.
I'm delaying with the car. I don't finish already.
Can you imagine?
Sorry. See, I don't delay too much.
I came here and she was busy playing music in my car.
Music?
For what?
No.
Also, my playing music in someone's car.
No, sir. Oga, the auntie don't they play the music already. So if the volume too low, I can't increase and make it give me inspiration.
Yeah.
The
music in my car is giving you inspiration.
As I get money for my pocket, now they play when auntie come. No.
Also, don't touch someone's car. Don't play any music at all. Also,
Okay, sir. Auntie, no verse. I don't finish already. I beg no verse.
This is how you walk in this.
If you bought my husband's car, what will you say?
I'm sorry.
Because we are playing music.
No, I don't play.
Please excuse me. I beg.
Also, leave it. Wait.
Not by force. I said no wash again.
Let her finish. Madam, wait, let her finish. Also, not again. Have you seen it? Also, have you seen it again?
Can you imagine? Look at my body.
Madam, sorry.
No, not sorry me. Is this how you walk here?
Also, I start apologizing to her. Also,
look at my expensive wig. Look at.
Hey, madam, no verse. Uzoma. Sorry.
What have I done?
No, I won't take this anymore. Not again.
No verse. Hey, madam.
Excuse me, please.
Ma, can I clean for you?
Please, excuse me. I'm not.
Also, I leave her car now.
No, now your car.
Don't wash again.
This is my car. Don't wash again.
I mean, don't wash the car.
Sorry. Also, I leave the car out. Madam, no verse. Now you come again. My customer, please.
Your customer is
How you walk here?
Hey. Hafam.
Yes.
Is this really your house?
Of course it's my house. It's a lot of money. Sorry, please make yourself comfortable.
This
Come
place is beautiful.
Thank you. It is indeed beautiful. Make yourself comfortable, please. Come and have a seat here.
I can sit here.
Oh, fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Afam, thank you so much for everything you did for me and my family. I don't know what I would have done without you. God bless you. My family and I will be forever indebted to you.
Oh. You're welcome. But I will appreciate if you stop thanking me. You see, the God we serve works in a miraculous way. He planned everything, you know. So, normally, I am not a fan of fair women. But when I saw you, something in me kept on telling me, help this girl. And I'm glad I did. So, I'm glad you're fine now. Everything I did is for God. So, no need to thank me.
Thank you so much.
There you go again.
Sorry.
So, let me quickly prepare something for you to eat. I'm a very good cook, no doubt. Oh, can we go together?
I'm not really hungry.
I'm not hungry.
No, you can't come to my house without eating anything. It's okay, stay. I'm coming. All right.
Yes, sir. Nancy. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please, I want to talk with you. I want us to discuss something. If you can give me 5 minutes of your time, sir.
Why not? Nancy, you have always been a good girl in this house. You have all my time. All my time. Can you please sit down and then talk with me?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to thank you immensely for all that you've done for me and bringing me this far. I must say I'm very grateful to you, sir.
It's my pleasure, Nancy. You are good too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
My 5 years of working with you, working with you was a memorable one. God bless you, sir.
And bless you too.
Sir, permit me to tell you one thing. I'll be leaving the house soon.
What? For what?
It's my pleasure to tell you that I'm getting married soon.
This is good news. Thank you, sir. Very good news to hear. I love this. That's nice. Oh, I can't wait to see you do this. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Is this what you have been, saying with a bedroom voice? This is a very nice one, my dear. That's a nice one.
And my family has asked me to stop the job.
Definitely you have to stop the job so that at least you'll be with your husband. It's a very good news, my dear, so you can go on. So you'll be leaving this week?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow precisely.
Tomorrow. But that is too sudden, Why not just give me additional 1 day so that I prepare myself too?
Sir, I would have told you long ago. Due to your busy schedule, you've not been around. That was why.
Anyway, it's all right. It's all right. Please, I want you to remind me of this in the evening. For now, I will be preparing for a meeting. 1 o'clock is the time and it's almost time. Remind me of it in the evening.
Okay, sir.
So you're welcome, my dear.
All right, thank you.
Once they fix the date for the, always let me know.
Thank you, sir.
I will be there.
What I am saying is that, Oga, may I ask you this small question? That way we say small, you go there, you go travel, go see madam. You and madam go there, they happy, they sorry. You know like what I agree. Something way I use my money, go do now another man get where I use my hard-earned currency, my power, energy, take trade. Now another man come break my hand, collect them.
It's all right.
Eh?
No, it's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right. Now, it is very clear you do not want to go straight to the point. No, I have no time to waste. You can go on, battle with yourself.
Be a man now, be a man, be a man. Okay, be a man now, be a man. Good.
Why are you laughing?
Mama, now. Like, why are you making me shy?
Okay, let me keep my face this way. I knew it! Am I not your mother? An elderly woman. Eh? I knew it. I suspected it. In fact, my instinct cannot tell me lie. I felt it.
Mama, do you know what he said? That he wants us to discuss fast so that the arrangement can commence immediately.
How? Thank you, sir. Oh! If my late husband were to be here today and see what our beautiful daughters have become in life, all those mockery of no male child, that he died out of heavy heart. But God knows the best.
Mama, stop.
He knows the best.
Mama, stop lamenting, okay?
If death had allowed you to reap the fruit of your labor, I would have been happy. But in all, may your soul rest in peace.
Mama, God has remembered us.
Yes, he has.
So stop lamenting.
He has. Oh, he has.
Mama,
I will not be going to the market again. I am going to see your father's kinsmen now. I'm going to see them to ask them how it is done. I'm also collect list.
Hey,
Sister, I'm done packing. Packed everything.
What's happening? Chica!
Did he propose?
I'm very happy.
I'm so happy for you. I salute Papa.
Married woman. Hey! You're blushing.
God, I don't tire. I don't tire for this life. They don't drive me more for car wash again. Who did I offend this offense? Eh? Why my own different? Work no day, money no day. Only this my cloth. Every day this one. Oh God, Uzoma. Hey, all this suffer and pain. Just because I want come city. Just because of say you want come city. Your big nose.
They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga.
Okay, na simple talk now. No be house help needed.
Exactly.
Very small challenge.
Exactly.
I don't write that one, put Jara.
That's all right. Wait, listen. Not just house help needed.
What's in again?
I want a qualified house help. Somebody who can cook very, very well.
Okay.
And if possible, I need somebody who is nicer than Nancy.
Yes.
Okay.
Nancy, they blow big grammar too much. So if I go bring person where sabi book pass Nancy.
Yes.
Now me say the person fit come here one day, blow one big grammar where go blow. I no go understand what the person talk. I go burn this house down. Think say na what the person tell me.
Okay.
So I better go bring person where no too sabi book, pass Nancy, so that the person will blow grammar where me I go understand to avoid you understand. But if not for person where sabi cook, I can go sleep. Any person if I trust me, I go bring person where sabi cook very very well.
If you say so anyway.
Or make any small money for material, or make I use the other.
Yeah, no, go on with what you have there. Just go on.
My beak for you don't almost.
No, go on. Don't worry.
This thing, the marker, the ink, don't they almost finish? OMG.
Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for this beautiful gift you've given unto us this day. Bless this food, O Lord, in Jesus' name.
Amen.
No, but can we skip it later? Oh, okay. No. Okay. I'll be there. I'll be there now. I'm coming right away. All right. Honey, please, I have to run along. Something came up. Okay? I'll have to see you later. Something came up, very important. Okay? Excuse me. Please, I'm coming.
Sister, where is he rushing after? I don't know. Alright, let's eat. I've lost my appetite already. Eating. Sister, you don't want to eat because... I'm hungry, I want to eat. Somebody wants to eat.
Mama, I came back yesterday. Mama, ever since I heard Uzoma is missing, Mama, I've been feeling bad. I'm like family, you can tell me. Have you seen her? Have you heard from her?
Udoka, what do you want me to tell you? What do you want me to tell you? You left Uzoma and went to the city. She followed you and now she's lost. So what do you want me to tell you?
Mama,
I do not want to see you in my compound until I see my daughter. Udoka, leave my house.
Mama,
leave here! Go! Leave my house. Nonsense. Hi. Zoma. Where are you?
sleeping here.
Rafa, what is going on? Where are you coming from?
I went for a business meeting. But don't worry, I will explain later.
Don't bother.
Let's go inside. Come, let's go to bed.
They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle not be say.
I don't understand. What's up?
Take a easy and know there are.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Why they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. You don't drugs? Why can't they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. By the way, who you be? And what did they look for here?
The notice board say housekeeping. Apply in person.
Apply in person.
Yes, sir.
Notice picking board. Apply in person. That be the only thing where you see there. Read the other one.
Needed urgent.
Eh?
Needed urgent.
No be needed urgent. The other one, read them. Go down. Read the other one with the other one. Read them.
Apply in person.
Apply in person. You don't finish?
You must agree with the GM.
You say?
You must agree with the GM.
Eh?
You must agreement with the GM.
You must agreement with the GM.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir. You suffer too much, sir. Just anywhere to sleep and eat.
It's alright.
Yes, sir.
And maybe the GM.
Yes, sir.
So as you don't see me now as the GM, are you still willing and ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir.
By the way, what you carry for hand?
Pineapple, sir.
Eh?
Pineapple.
Surrender, mercy.
Yes, sir.
Who give him pineapple?
One woman went dash me for that. I beg and some they catch me.
One woman dash you pineapple?
Yes, sir. Dash me.
It's sweet?
Very, very.
Very, very.
Yes,
it's alright. You get mine though?
Yes, sir.
Hey. I want them. Hey, this one sand them. He put sand. In the rule line. Eh? He put sand on the rule line.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Ground.
Ground. You need water.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. In fact, they don't employ you. Eh? Make I take. Meaning say you don't start to abide.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Why this sweat?
No.
Nothing, sir. You mean to make I hold the pineapple? Is that how nice you are?
Yes.
That's fantastic. In fact, automatic signing. They don't employ you. Hold inside. Hold your pineapple.
And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle no be say you go blow now.
Juliet,
Do you know sometimes I'll be praying? Let's say before I'll finish singing praises, his phone might just ring. The next thing is Afam is off. We hardly talk these days. He doesn't even have my time anymore. Do you know Afam now keeps late nights?
My dear, I'm so short of words. Afam was never like this. He wasn't.
The one that is killing me most right now is the fact that he doesn't want to talk about it. He doesn't want to say anything. Afam has really changed.
What is going on? What's going on?
I don't know. I wish I can explain it. I don't know anything.
Well, my advice for you as a friend is you need to tread with caution. You just have to.
I don't know whether to say it. I'm regretting this marriage.
No. No. You don't have to say that. No. You don't have to. You can't get tired of your marriage. You can't run away from your home because of problems. That's why you're a woman. Real women don't run away from problems. Rather, they try to solve it.
Juliet, you don't understand, right?
I do. I do, my friend. You have to be strong.
They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna push my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Malaga. Hey.
Who is this?
Okay, now woman being. Now the new cleaner and the new cook.
Says who?
Oga say me.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Young lady.
Sir.
What's your name?
Uzoma Onyema, sir.
Uzoma Onyema.
Yes, sir.
And you can cook very well?
Now my hobby, sir.
I mean, you can cook very well.
Yes, I like to cook.
So, your qualification, I mean, your educational background.
We don't already agree, sir.
Konta, she can cook very well, eh?
Okay, this person is here, tested and trusted. In fact, she, okay, see this person, she know everything. And as a matter of fact, as far as say I get concerned, now to make sure say, all the things where she will do and well. Okay? Have me enter a motor by a motor. Leave within the right for motor. Enter motor. And about ambulance. So enter ambulance.
It's all right. It's all right.
It's okay, sir.
It's all right, eh? If you say so.
I say so.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I know tell you. I tell you. You see, for this thing, anything we I talk.
Which one be all?
Those ones.
Those ones. It go sweet. Those ones. It go sweet. Those ones. It go sweet.
Oh, my brother, not now. Can't we leave it tomorrow? Yeah, right away. My love. You're weak. Something came up. I really need to rush out now.
What could that possibly be at this hour of the night?
It's a business call. I've been expecting this call since morning. I'll be back. Probably in the morning. Okay?
Seriously want to go?
If you have to run along, please, it's very important. Okay? You have to go. Back in the morning. Hey, sleep well.
You know, I told you. This is issue of money we are talking about here.
I know. My sister will not allow me to spend the night outside.
You know what?
Don't stop thinking. Stop.
Let me
I will think about it. I will think about it.
Any amount you want, I am going to give you.
I know, stop! You're so naughty. You're so naughty.
Anything you want?
Chidima, what are you doing here? And who is this guy?
He's my friend. He's my friend, sir.
Your friend?
Yes, sir.
So Chidima, your sister sent you out to buy stuffs needed for the house. And you know how urgent it is. Here, if you know what is good for you now, before the count of 3, enter this car.
Wait. Mr. Man, she is old enough to take care of herself and make decisions for herself.
You say?
Who is this guy?
Did you hear what I just said now?
Yes, sir. It's my sister.
And so fucking what? And so what? Your sister's husband. Mr. Man, let me tell you. Please, leave here. I said leave here. If you get me angry, just look me. Look at me very well.
Go and enter that car now! Do you want me to... Silly thing. And you see you? Anywhere you see me in this town, run. I know your face now.
You're a very big mugu. Big one at that.
you just call me a Mugo?
Capital Mugo. Capital One. That is what you are.
Very stupid. Go and enjoy. It's my birthday. I will forgive you. I will not allow to spoil my birthday. I'll mark your face and your car number. I will give you. Nancy. One puss. One kid torture. In as one day, one, but I'm one kid. I know. In I was 1 year one. I'm going to say I eat now. My brother. Honey, you have to warn your sister. There are limits to what I can take. If she wants to live that kind of wayward lifestyle, not under my roof.
No.
Imagine this girl. I saw her smooching a guy outside, on the road.
What happened to you? Eh? Talk to me now, what? Uncle slapped me. Afam, why would you slap her like that?
Is it that you didn't hear what I just said?
Hey.
Huh?
He didn't wound you. He slapped me with my right cheek. Paining you? Yes. Afam, please, in case of next time, do not try that again. I beg you, please.
Wait, is that why? So I don't have right to slap her?
Nah, this people say I need to change all this tank. Sometimes, yeah. Who's Oma? Yeah, you see me from top of this place. You know, even ask me, say, you know, see me. I know, see no be come. I know, see no be say make I come. So, see, now we be say nobody dey house or they don't come out. I foresee make you bring the food, my food. Come inside, make we eat together. You know, see that room. Since we come this place, you never try to enter that room. Say, make me and you. So, carry the food, come. Make me and you sit down, eat them. This one why they talk, they look me like say I get typhoid. Again.
You know where now? Make I carry your food, come. Hey, Uzuma. I can't come in your room, me eat and there. Why?
Why can't they talk like say, no be our agreement, no be agree say, you know be our agreement?
We agree say I go follow your instruction totally.
So what thing be bad? If I say make you carry food, come inside, make me and you sit down, make they do, make me and you.
You look my breast.
Aye, this is baptismal water. I like this baptism.
You look my breast. You dey mad? Now which kind of talk be that? Now I carry the food, come your room, make we eat am for them. Your head correct. You dey hear what you dey talk, sef?
Uzoma.
Huh?
Uzoma. What is self? The first time he poured me this water, I was very glad. I thought it was a baptismal water. I don't know say you get bad thing for mine. See, make I tell you. Okay, maybe the first time we come for this place, our initial agreement, maybe say you go do anything right now. Wouldn't it wrong for me to say, come inside, make we eat together? You didn't hear how they go to do this. Yeah? What's bad there inside? Say I tell you, okay, come inside, no be the agreement we me agree before.
How? You be very foolish person. Because since I come to this house, I dey respect you. I dey give you good food, serve your food well. Then you come stand there now with your hunchback and your bow leg. They talk with you, I don't know.
Eh? See, make I tell you, Uzoma. See, make I tell you. You sake of say, we do this. Me and you talk this thing now. You won't come begin. You don't want to come fulfill your agreement because of say, Oga don't employ you. See, make I tell you. If na
that one they give you the bravado, if na that one they give you the muscle. Make you remember say for inside Bible, they talk say when nation they think say they don't stand well, but they look very very well oh, because they fit fall. See your matter, you see your matter. I go table your matter, give her. I say matter of fact. Shut up.
I don't feel do anything.
I don't feel do anything.
Shut up.
No, wait. Who's Oma? You say I don't feel do anything. Who's Oma? Watch him. If I no report your matter, give her. If I no sack you, come up for this place. Call me Nama.
Nama.
I never sack you now. I tell you if I no sack you, they call me Nama. I never sack you. If I don't sack you, come. See, Uzoma, make I tell you see this place where you work. Have it in mind that today na the last day we go work for this place. If Oga no sack you, I will sack myself. If it is that they lie, on your back row. Come on, bet. Uzoma, bet. Bet.
Yeah. Why? Emeka, why me? What have I done to deserve this?
Sister, stop lamenting. Yes, stop lamenting. I told you, of all the spiritualists I went to see, they all said the same thing. Yes, they said she's alive. So, I mean, Asaba is a small place. It's a small town. Moreover, I've reported to the police, and they are all assisting in looking for her. So we'll find her.
The spiritualist said my daughter is alive.
Yes.
Uzoma, my daughter is alive. God will punish Afam and Udoka. After all Uzoma did for them, this is what Afam paid my daughter with. Yeah. Somebody will do the same thing to him. Somebody will do the same thing to him. I'm telling you the truth. Hey!
Sister, remove Afam and Udoka from this. Yes. It's Uzoma's fault. If I had taken her to the city, we won't be talking of her missing or not by now.
Like I was saying before, I need to go to the market and fix some things, like we used to do it before.
Okay. No, there's no problem. I'll have to speak to him to, tell him the latest development, then we push from there.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, no problem.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, Afam, let me rush. Okay, it's alright. I will see you. Okay, no problem.
You're leaving already?
Yeah, I have to go.
Hope I'm not pursuing you.
No.
Afam.
Udo?
Fa.
How are you?
I'm fine, yo. How are you?
I'm okay. Always looking good.
Thank you. Afam, what is happening? What is the problem?
Did I tell you I have a problem?
You didn't tell me, but there's a problem, and you know it. I'm your friend, though, so just stop all these surprise looks. What is the problem? What is happening? Did Chika offend you? Huh?
You're still confusing me.
She called me. She was crying bitterly. She was complaining.
Why?
Afam, she says you go out at night and come back the next day. In fact, sometimes you wake up at midnight and go out and come back the next day afternoon. Yeah! Why would you do that?
You of all people should know how all of this works. My business is the problem. I have this project I'm pursuing, so it's taking my time.
You're no longer single. Gone are those days. You're married now, so whatever you're doing, you tell your wife.
That is the main reason I have to double my hustle. For the fact that I'm married.
We're saying the same thing. Tell her. Put her through. So she doesn't get worried. That's what I'm talking about.
But I also do put her through though. Just that my wife wants me to be there all the time. It does. Okay, fine. I will have to talk to her. Yes, she's in.
You don't have money. It's a problem. You're busy chasing for money. It's also a problem.
No. Mama, guess what? Auntie Zoma called me.
Who?
She called me. Auntie Zoma called me. Let me call her. Sit down, let me call her.
Fast.
Let me call her.
Be fast.
No. Ringing now. Wait.
Give it to me. Hey, who's Mama? Hello? Who's Mama? Hey, you are alive. How are you? I told you. Hey, I'm so happy. Where are you? Here. I have looked for you and I almost died. Who's Mama? Hey! Do you know that I told Udoka not to come to my compound again until they found you? Hey! Yes, I am your mother. Thank God you are alive. I'm dancing here, Mama. Here! Hey! Don't worry. Hey, Chimo. Yes, my daughter. Come home, fast. Hey, I'm waiting for you. I'm going to kill a cow with bull. Anything you want me to kill, it won't lie. Take.
Mama, I told you. Now you can dance.
Hey.
Dance very well, Mama.
Hey.
Dance very well.
Yeah.
My daughter. Mama, I told you.
See, let me tell you. You see this place? You're going to leave this place. It's my fault. If my fault. You're leaving this place. You expected who? Look at you. Before you came to this place, we had an agreement. And now you're thwarting the agreement because Oga has employed you. But let me tell you, whichever way you are seeing it, I'm going to tell you that I am the person that made you work here, and I will also make you live here. Usoma.
Oh, okay. No, we talk.
What do they talk? Live here also. Usoma, live here. I'm telling you. You are the head to our discussion. Now, let me tell you, I'm not interested. You're going to leave this. If it is Oga, that means you're going.
No. Tell him, I beg. I go do what you say make I do. I beg.
You sure?
I beg.
You go do what I tell you say make you do.
Yes.
Who's Oma? I know they for GPT. Oh yeah, if you know you're going to do it, give me a hug. Give me a hug now. Let me be sure.
Okay, don't fall.
Okay, don't come. Give me a hug now. Oh, go and get it. Oga don't come. Yes, sir.
Where is Uzoma?
Yes, Uzoma. She's inside.
You are confused.
No. I'm not confused. I'm trying to look at the way she passed. She passed like this, enter.
Send me away from here now. Where I want go? Back to hunger. Hungry, we don't give me that.
They drive me here now. What you have to do? Hey, sir. Welcome, sir.
Who is sending you away?
Sir?
I mean, who is sending you out of this house?
Okunta, sir.
Okunta? For what? Okunta! Okunta!
Hello, okay. Good afternoon. Welcome, sir. Uzoma, what are you still doing here? You're supposed to go inside and prepare food for Oga to eat. You know very well that Oga doesn't eat late at night. I kept telling you, advising you, but you wouldn't learn. Why?
Shut up! Shut up your mouth. That is not why I called you here. Now tell me, why are you sending her out of this house?
Sir? Uzoma, who want to send you away?
That's what you said now.
Me?
That's what you say. You say if I no come sleep for your room, so you go drive me come out for here.
What? Innocent like me? How could I have said a thing like that? Okay, you know very well. Okay, you know that I'm innocent. The last time I came back from confession, okay, I told you what I confessed and the Holy Communion they gave to me. How can this girl, why will this girl stand before me and lie against me that I said? Okay, as a matter of fact, you know very well, I took an oath of celibacy. For 10 years, I said, I have not even used this thing. 6 months out of these 10 years, I have not used. And this girl opened her mouth. That I said, if she don't come to my room, I will send her away. Okay, the thing I said was, I told this girl, based on the oath of celibacy that I took, if she dare come into my room, I am going to send her away. Okay, is it a bad thing?
Okunta, listen to me. Okunta, I know you very well.
Oh, Oga knows me very well. That
Will you shut up for once? Yes, at your running mouth. Is something wrong with you, Okunta? You think I didn't understand what you wrote at the gate? Eh? No, Okunta, tell me. You must be very careful. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
You must be very careful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uzoma, sir? Come with me to the car. I have some gifts for you. I brought you clothes.
Thank you, sir.
You know you will like. Okay.
You see these slippers? You don't go see them again. These slippers, in fact, you're going to go on one leg. I will not give you these slippers again. Nonsense. Because Oga promised bought you clothes. You came to this place now and was doing 360 degree for clothes. Nonsense.
Make sure you buy all that is listed here. And do not forget anyone.
Okay, sister. I won't. Let me go so I'll be back.
And Chidema,
sister,
please be fast.
Alright, I will.
Come back fast.
Okay.
Bye. Come here. Honey, where's she going to?
To the market to get some foodstuffs.
To which market?
I want her to go get some foodstuffs.
Wait for me at the car. I am going to drop you to wherever you're going to. Are you deaf?
We're going to the market.
Honey, I have told you to stop sending this girl out all by herself. She has started seeing men.
But she's not a baby anymore. She can go.
No, she cannot go alone. She can't get pregnant under my roof. It would be a shameful thing to us.
Okay, it's fine. If you insist, you can take her.
It's fine.
I'm going to Godwin's place for a meeting. From there, I'll go to the ATM. So it's preferable I drop her off. When I'm done, I pick her back. Is that okay by you?
It's fine. Please.
A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best to you. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best to you. Is best. If for solo see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, good all the way.
You see this thing you're trying to see, perhaps looking for. When you find it, do not run. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you, Chidema.
But I'm not looking for anything.
You're not looking for anything. See to that. Just keep doing what you're doing. Yeah, hello? Oh, okay, I'll be right there. No, just tell him to wait, I'm coming. No. Okay.
If I had known, I wouldn't have allowed this girl to work in this place. If I had known that this girl would come and have eyes on Oga, on Chief, I wouldn't have allowed her working. Imagine. I have worked with Chief for how many years now? Chief he has never thought it wise to buy me a single cloth. Look at Uzoma. Uzoma clothes everywhere. Uzoma has clothes everywhere.
Please. Come on, help me and put on the gel. I want to blend fruits for Chief.
What? See, let me tell you. You think you're sharp? You think you're smart, Abi?
Why you the best?
Why you the talk?
Maybe I will enjoy this house together.
Enjoy. Look at you. Enjoy when you have already told Oga everything. What is there to enjoy?
We enjoy the food while they cook.
Enjoy the food.
So, you don't notice the new clothes I wear? What you buy for me? Eh? Go on, Jess. Go on, Jess. Pass, go on.
Your mother. Your father.
Take a easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. They tell me slow down.
Hey.
The way the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy and know that.
What did you just do?
Oh my God, sir. You're not sleeping. Sir, you know they sleep. They pain me. They worry about you, sir. You work hard too much. As I come now, I can't do the drink. Don't they enter? Oh, sir, they worry for you because you stress yourself too much.
Thank you very much for your concern. But that is not my question. Why do you have to take my drink? Huh?
Oh, sir. I dey worry for you. I dey worry for you. Oh, my spirit don't dey low. My spirit don't dey low. I dey worry for you because you dey stress yourself too much. You dey stress yourself too much. As I reach here now, I see say the glass just dey full. You know, attend to am. You know, drink am. It dey pain me. It dey pain me. Now I can't drink am.
It's all right. It's all right. Thank you very much for the advice, eh?
I'm gonna go right there.
I'm gonna have my
pick up my life and hustle.
Hey.
I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, a good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best to you. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best to you. Is the best.
Jesus! What happened to you, baby?
Honey, don't get scared. There's nothing serious.
Oh my God, what happened?
No, it's just bike people. I saw them fighting. I'm trying to separate them. All of this.
Are you sure you're not injured?
I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. I'm fine. I'm fine. I need to run along. I have a very important meeting to attend. So let me change. Okay? I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. Nothing.
Always thinks for the way forward. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart.
Hello? Juju? Yes. Is Chidima at your place? Oh my God, I'm finished. She went out since morning with my husband and I've been trying to call her. She hasn't been picking my call since then. Yes! He's not picking too! Hey! Yes. I'm fine. I'll try. I'll be calm. Alright, good night. Where's Chidima?
Chidema. Is she not back?
No.
How?
She's not back since you guys left. And I've been calling her since morning. She hasn't been picking my calls.
Since morning?
Yes! Since morning you dropped her off.
How is that possible?
This is so strange. Where is she? Where could she have gone to?
I dropped her there, and when I was done, I went back there to pick her up, and the attendant said she left. You mean she hasn't been back since then? Oh my love, you see? This is what I've been telling you. Your sister has started living a bad life.
She hasn't done this before. This is like the first time she's staying out this long. This is so strange.
Well, strange thing starts in a day. See what I was telling you? My love, let's go to bed. Chidema is fine. Probably she's with that same guy that I wonder about.
Sleep is the last thing on my mind right now. I couldn't even cook. I haven't had anything since.
Let's go, don't worry. I'm hungry, so you're indirectly saying there's no food for me. Huh?
I couldn't cook anything. I couldn't.
So I'm going to bed without food. Let's go.
buns here. Sweet buns. Buy buns here.
I won't buy. I won't buy sweet buns.
Okay, madam.
I don't know.
How much on you want?
Small, that plenty them. This your box. Na your own.
No, my own.
You just fry the pop put that inside.
What you want inside before you put the pepper? It could be like paper.
No.
So the box na your own.
Not my own.
Now you get her.
What's this? Give me my boss. Give me my boss. Give me my boss.
Release this boss.
Give me my boss.
Release the boss.
Release
the boss. Release the boss. Release. I said release. Release. Again.
Give my boss.
Come on. What?
You don't know where you dey?
Look at the politician's house. Now there, now you dey. If you don't know.
Chief Godfrey, where they run for Senate, na his house now you dey so. Also, when he doesn't use your hunchback, they from
The person will get this election material, so where you go escape, book pop off.
Come. Where the
I beg.
Where the
to talk. Hey.
Where the paper?
Move
inside this
inside.
place. Eh?
Move and go inside.
Mama, what did I do?
You don't know what you don't come into.
You the grace. Also, where?
Say you drop my pop off.
You don't go even pity me. I dey breathe. Where the papers? Where they inside this place? Where you say you use pop exchange? Where you keep them?
More move and go inside.
No paper.
More move and go inside.
Okay.
All your other map don't share into four. For pop boy they chop.
If you chop inside the chop, you get that.
We dey move and go headquarters. If I can't reach here today, even you go repent. Move back.
I don't go anywhere. Give me my boss. Give me my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give me my boss. Give my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Mother, leave me now.
You're not finished.
Hey, come on. Hey.
Nothing, sir.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
What is happening here?
I just say make I come outside. Ma take fresh air.
Yes.
See think about this my life. How you dey go and how you come be. Now I see this woman. Electoral material. You carry her, you throw away everybody who vote for you. You carry pop off, you load her for the bag. No be arrest her. As I arrest her now, Oga wey dey begin to chop the pop off like say that boiled egg. You don't swallow plenty things.
You the grace? What you concern me for the matter?
No, wait.
Okay.
Electoral box.
Yes, sir. See here.
This
girl. Want all the paper people will vote. Replace her with pop off. Replace her with pop off. You're not finished. It's still a play.
I'm gonna lie you.
Throw away the electoral material. Put pop off. Put pop off.
You go carry me now. Meaning get up and I'll go to pure water.
I don't understand. You may go in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let me handle it myself. Now tell me.
Okay, I don't know why this guy carry the electoral material. Come go hide somewhere, come carry pop they deceive the public. Okay, if
Hey.
And again, if they give you that office, my profile self will rise.
What business has this with electoral?
Oh.
Okay, look at this place. They take those paper. I cast your vote. Go beside here.
Jesus. We don't make it.
They don't finish my bones.
It's alright.
You have finished my bones.
Where in this country will somebody steal electoral box before the election day?
Oh, election never hold.
Huh?
Never hold.
You see? I don't understand.
Sir, you know,
Uzoma, I don't understand.
I just calculate and say, now the only thing I feel do for you now be this. If you win this election, now my level 2 go upgrade small. So I think maybe they don't do election, then she don't move the box, she don't offload people who vote, come pop off inside. I don't make mistakes, sir.
We don't fuck up.
He has already finished my boss.
That's all right, woman. What actually happened?
Oga, I carry my box, they go. As I dey say my boss. Now this woman come call me. I think say he won't buy boss. Now she can't drive me here. This one can't eat my muff.
Your father?
You don't finish my muff.
Who be this one?
You shut up your mouth! Shut up! Don't be stupid. Madam.
The girl also not eat you food. Sir? No.
That's all right.
The girl also not chop you joy.
Who's Ama? It's all right. Woman, please manage this.
Thank you, sir.
Please wait, carry.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Go, carry your boss.
Okay. I don't even ask girl.
I don't know what is wrong with you people.
Sir, I know we miss her.
I don't know what is wrong with you people. Will you continue to disgrace me like this?
No, sir. You say that who?
How will people hear that I have non-entity in this house here?
See, sir, you get non-entity, I don't know.
You mean?
Are you sure she's not scared of taking your calls? Huh? Just call her number now, so I'll try calling her.
Okay. Her number is 081.
How do I begin to explain to mother right now? How do I tell my mother that two of her daughters, one is now missing? How?
Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. Hopefully we'll continue with the search and something positive might come. Let's not stop.
Chidima, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Oh.
What are you thinking? I can't even remember. I think yellow dress or something. I remember. That's one of those things. What I always complain. Now see. What I'm saying it to look like I'm stupid. Just look at. Some people here, see if they can. See if you call Mama with your phone. I've been trying to reach.
No, don't even try to involve my mother into this. You know how dramatic she could be. No, I don't want her to start thinking it's something serious because let her be for now. I just hope she's fine wherever she is. Oh.
Stop, she's fine. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Teja, please, can you stop? She's fine. She's okay. Afam, in exact words, what happened?
When you're done, call me. I'll come and pick you. Alright? First, I'm expecting your call very soon.
Alright.
See, for now stop this thing now.
Look at this bad man. Okay, what are you doing? We're not killing ourselves. Look at this stupid man. Why are you stupid? Nah. See me now. See my life now. See me now. I carry this idiot for my bike. Okay, call me idiot. I carry him to open for here. He carry 1,000 naira. Give me this early morning. And then I send that boss. They give me 1,000 naira. What's in the world? I carry the 1,000. Give him back. 15 naira. You refuse to give me my choice. Start fighting me. Are you stupid?
But no be. Go see the guy.
I carry the 1,000. Give him back. He just leave me the water. Which kind of nonsense be that now? It is all, you want time to say your man and soldier? No, you want time to say your man and soldier? You want time to say your man and soldier? No, leave my friend. Wait,
So that was it. I saw two bike men fighting and they were ready to kill each other. So on trying to separate them, one of them stabbed the other one. That was how I got the blood stains. Nothing else.
Please, Chichi,
I just said my sister has not been kidnapped.
Nothing happened to her. Stop, Biko. Oh, she's fine.
Fine. Where?
Just sit down.
Who is there? Who is there?
Hey, it's me, sir. I was just checking to see if you wanted anything.
Not exactly. Thank you very much. You may go. No, I said you can go. Go. Hmm? So, like I was saying, we have to be very, very careful. We have to be careful. We have to work hard. Because if we are not careful, we might lose the election. Thank you very much. You may go. Problem? For where?
Oga, they try to rig the election. I'm telling you, very bad.
No, Oga a good man. Oga a good man.
Oga bad. Why we go try to? Oh no, this is bad.
Oga a good man. Rig. I know rig now. Rig no be that one what we did for primary school. We dey do.
No.
Him. See.
The one will be safe. If you know when they go say na him.
See. Shut up your mouth. Uzoma, see what you could do now. Very importantly, I dey hungry. Make you go inside, go cook something, bring, make I chop. That one be the most important one. I am very, very hungry, famished.
Okay, Assistant Chief. You want that with juice?
Put kidney and liver. Fat one. Come now. Come make I tell you. This girl, one girl. You.
Doka, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Why you still cry? I'm fine. Chichi, stop now.
Why would I cry with all these things happening around me now? What do you expect from me?
I told you, we are going to find your sister. You will see her sooner than you think. Biko, you talk to her now.
Chika, you have to eat something, even if it's little. Just eat something, please.
You need to eat, bro. You need to eat. Please, because of your condition, please.
I'm not hungry.
You need to eat. When this is your condition, you have to eat. Ha! Oh.
Wait. Condition? Chika, what condition is she talking about?
She's pregnant.
Really? You're pregnant? This is what I've been wanting to hear. But how come Udoka found out before me?
Gigi, please, that's not the case. Biko, that's not the case. Chichi, you need to eat. And your food is at the dining. Biko, you need to eat now. I'm begging you. That child needs food. You need to eat.
Stop crying. You want me to cry? Stop crying, please. Can you...
Yeah. Let me papa you, because that's what you like. You see your sister very soon. Stop crying.
I want to see my sister. I want to see Chichi.
You will. Stop crying.
Hello, Chief, trust me. trust my team and I. We are very close to him. Yes. Don't worry. He will die. Don't worry. He will die. Leave it for me. Trust me. He will die. Leave it for me.
Yes. That good. We go kill him after election. Yes, we go kill him. Yeah?
I greet you, boss.
Thank you. Is Chief in?
Chief?
Yes.
Chief is in.
I just want Chidima back. I just want my sister back. She will come back. Trust me, she will. The God we serve will bring her back.
When?
Don't worry, by the time we finish our fasting, I have faith that she will come back. Please.
Will I tell my mother or will I tell my mom?
She will come back. Fine. I trust the God we serve. Nothing will happen to her.
I just want to look like Chidima.
Where?
That face was covered with blood, so I didn't see it clearly. Check her. No, check her. No, don't do this. No, check her.
No, my love, you can't. My
Check
love.
her, don't do this. It's not your sister.
My love.
Check her.
She okay, Doc?
Okay, yeah, she's fine, but please, she would need some space now. She needs to rest. Mr. Afam, can I see you in my office now?
Okay, you people should take care of her. Let me see the doctor quickly.
Well, Mr. Afam, I called you here to break a rather bad news to you, and whatever I tell you here now, I want you to take it like a man that you are, please. Is that okay?
Okay, go on.
As it is, your wife lost the pregnancy. Yeah, she had a major shock that led to too much bleeding. Her BP was high, and due to the complications, we weren't able to handle it, although we tried our possible best. And even at that, the baby was still lost. I'm sorry about that, and I would want you to take it easy on yourself. Because when you're strong, you know she's strong. She actually would derive a lot of strength from you. So please, try to be strong for her sake. But I would like to ask, what really led to this whole predicament that caused it?
Afam, what is it?
Afam, talk.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
She lost the baby.
Oh my God! Lord have mercy. What? How do we break this news to her now? How? Just take it easy, okay? Calm down. Actually, what kind of temptation is this?
So, why do you want to see me?
Okay, this thing I want to tell you, so I know if you come out here until you agree with me, oh. I know come out until you tell me say you don't hear and you agree.
Okay, I have heard you, and I agreed. So, what do you have to say?
On election day, this election where you go run, so
yes.
hope you say you dey run for office. I know me come out for house. You just day house, you day your day. Me I will day my day. Everybody go day in day like that. And you know come out for house.
Why?
Okay, I get very bad dream. You be good man, you don't help me. I know I'm make anything happen to you. All these people when they follow you, when they come but they carry bag, they wear black. I don't trust any of them. I beg, not go anywhere. I beg.
That's all right. That's all right. Thank you very much, my dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
But nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Okay, I know, sir. I know. But that day of election, just like for the say nowhere. Offer your phone, no come out. Just the house. I'm not going to happy if anything happen to you, sir, because you be good man. I'm not going to happy. Don't trust anybody.
Why do you want me to stay away from the election? They are casting vote for me and you don't want me to be there?
Okay, whether you no go, if you go, they will still vote. They will vote. I beg, no go. Just stay for house. I beg.
Thank you very much. But all I'm saying is nothing is going to happen to me. Listen to me, my dear. I have been in this business for so many years. Don't worry. I will know how to take care of myself.
Yes, but that day when they come now, you don't go anywhere. You will just cap your day.
I've heard you.
Thank you, sir.
So, you can go. I said I've heard you. You can go.
Yes, okay, make I go now. Yes, yes.
Yes, you go. Thank you,
Yes, make I go. You just do your day. No need to go anywhere.
Oh my God.
You go your day. You understand me, sir?
It's all right. Thank you,
Okay, you see me like they go.
Yeah, you can go.
Afọ mefu. Ono bia. Chika.
Hi, bia.
Ki iru gido to. Is anything the matter? Adikwana mma.
Sorry, is Chidema in?
Chidema. Mba. Akwa na na city.
She be.
What happened?
Mama, we've been looking for Chidema. Went to the market to buy stuff we needed for the house. So I dropped her off and told her to buy what she needs while I used the ATM. So on coming back, Chidema was nowhere to be found.
For how long?
For 2 days now, Mama.
Hey, Chidema! Afọ mefu ni segene.
Oluben, go now. Mama, nothing has gone. We'll find out. Mama. We'll find out. Oluben, no, we will. Mama, nothing happened to her.
What is happening? Mama.
No, we'll find her.
We'll find her. She's alive. She's alive.
Yeah, she'll be back. Just calm down. She'll be back. Stop crying. I said stop crying. She'll be back. Nothing will happen to her. Imagine him. Take it easy. It's okay. Okay, Baba God, another election not they come. Morgan don't try for a very long time. Make him win. Anybody will go make a no win. Holy Ghost fire.
Oko Baba. Oko. My party. God.
Usama, this why you're singing praises to me. I hope there's no problem. Make you tell me something. Usama, I don't get time for all those things. If you want to talk, talk.
Come, good news, oh. Come.
Make it be good news, oh. It be Jehovah's Witness.
You see that way you don't disturb me for sleep. I want to give you today.
Usama, see, let me tell you. If there's anything I hate in this life, I'm a perfume. Are you serious?
I say, make we go inside now. Oh, conta bobo. I do appreciate you. I do appreciate you.
Wait, to make you not be say I dey hallucinate or say I get typhoid.
Okay, Baba. I enter the place. Then look who's the place too.
Chiki. See, you know say, Oga go soon come out. So in order for us not to have distraction, I foresee make we wait, make Oga come out, so that once we start the thing, we go now can reach the end without any distraction.
If you don't go do it now, bye-bye.
Well, come.
Okay, now keep it there. Give me your key.
Why?
I go lock you inside because I never give Oga food. So me I foresee me you go bath, come out your clothes, naked, inside blanket. Then me I lock you inside. After I give Oga food, somebody to come to give a knock. Everybody go know it won't go down. It don't go good.
You get sense?
Just open the door, enter, come meet you inside the blanket.
You get sense? Honestly speaking, you know, as a matter of fact, today when I dey bath, I see something they tell me say, if you say something will happen. I wash everything clean. If it sparkling clean. If you enter there, oh my cheek, it is sweet. It is pepper like kore. So I remove clothes, remove everything. Enter.
I've been looking for you. I was looking for Okonta. I didn't see him. Can I use your phone to make a call? Very important call and a personal call. My phone? I'll give you back. Okay. I beg you. Thank you. When Oga ready to come out, I'll come call you. I'll give you the phone. Thank you.
They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see my hustle go pay.
Chief is calling you.
Chief.
But before you go, give me the car key. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Are you done with my phone?
No, I'm done.
To make this hustle to pay, I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money,
kept one here, kept the other here, and I was charging this other one, and I kept this other one here. So what happened? Where is my phone? Where are the two phones?
Where are your phone? I didn't see them.
Where is Uzoma and Okonta?
Uzoma, she's outside. She said that you want to see me.
I did not ask her to call you. I did not. I am looking for my phone now. How will I talk to my friends? Today is the election day. What will I do? I kept my phone here. I kept the other one here. Please, go and call them. Go and call Uzoma. Tell Uzoma to come here now. What nonsense is this?
Everywhere is locked. As I'm talking to you now, every door is locked.
What do you mean every door is locked? No. Don't tell me that.
Every door, the whole door is
locked. How can the whole doors be locked?
I can't go out.
No. It cannot. It can't be. Today is my election. How can I communicate my friends? How? Doors locked, my phones I cannot. Give me away. If I get that girl, I will deal with her.
Let me be the chief security officer of this house. I don't secure everywhere now. I don't know who want kill you. I don't feel allow you to go outside. Me I no go kill you through away. Everybody will they follow you and don't trust them. So nobody go enter this compound. Nobody go come up for this compound today.
Yeah. Uzoma.
Sir?
Uzoma.
Yes, sir.
Who locked up the whole doors?
I, sir.
For what?
For security, sir.
What security?
Your safety.
No. Are you insane? Are you mad?
Yes, sir. I'm mad. Because I don't already advise you, I don't beg you, as you not agree here, I know if you leave you, may you go kill yourself. Now I say make I secure the entire place.
I think you must be joking, eh? Anyway, Uzoma, please come and open this door.
I don't go fit, sir.
Uzoma, I said come and open this door for me.
I don't go fit, sir.
Eh? Where's Okonda? Okonda!
Oga, I didn't inside this place, so she locked me. I don't even feel come outside.
Oh, she locked you up too? No, I don't understand what you mean. Are you insane?
Okay, because today is an election. And I know say they won't kill you outside. You don't to bless my life. I know if you leave you, may you go die there like how.
Who will kill me? Nobody. Nobody can kill me.
Okay, that's why everybody always talk until they die.
Listen, Uzoma, if I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Come on, open this door. I want to go out.
Sir, once you jump down, I wound your wound last. Okay, tie your body.
Which body? Which body? Who's the woman? You get mine. You have to know how my body. You be doctor.
Okay. Uzoma. My phones and those things there.
They're safe. They're there, yes, sir.
I want to have them, please. Give them to me.
I don't hold on for you, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this, for Christ's sake? Hey, you want to destroy my career? Okay. It's all right. I'm okay. What on earth did I do to this girl? Eh? What did I do to her? Eh? Everywhere locked. How will I communicate my agents? Eh? Today is the election day. How will I communicate my agents? Okay. If I get this girl, if I get her, I will teach her a lesson that she will never forget in her life. In her entire life.
Oga, she's even with my phone. If not, I would have made some calls. Oga, we have to do whatever we can to leave this place now. If you do not show up today, Oga, you will lose the election.
I will lose it. I will lose it. I will lose it. Go and try it. Go. Go and try. Try your best if she will come and open the door. Try your best, please. Knock, knock, knock!
Where could she have gone?
I don't know. I just don't know. We've searched for her everywhere in the city before coming down here. That girl doesn't listen. I tried so hard to talk her out from living that kind of life. Where I live, there are so many guys that are into shady deals. You know, fetish things. I tried to talk this girl. This is not the way to live in the city. But she wouldn't listen. Now, see.
Hi.
Osirion ofu moto buy or buy and cause. Osirion.
Let's just hope we'll find her. Girls of nowadays, they don't listen. You tell them to stay here, they will sit. By the time you turn, they will jump to the other side.
Especially that Chidemma. She doesn't listen. Her ears are just standing up like antenna. She doesn't listen.
Hey, Manana, have you gone to the police, radio station, and the Imagasino Ebenweki so that people will hear and know someone is missing?
I have spoken to my DPO friend Obino Keza. He said he will do something. Then for the radio station, I have a friend there, Bolly. I'll still call him and let him know.
So that we can find her.
I will, man.
Hey.
I will.
Hell.
See, Uzomama tell you, if I finally come outside, you could die for my hand for this nonsense way you do.
And they try to save a guy life.
So you know the kind of thing where they do for you? The history where they create?
No problem. Just get ready to die, because by the time I come out, this thing where you do me, you could die fast. And just the ones where you don't do, you could die fast.
If you kill my body, you will kill my soul.
Yes, sir.
And then they call you, don't say you don't go see anybody.
Uzoma.
Sir, yes, sir.
Is that not my phone ringing?
Your phone been a ring before. Don't ring one way. And the people won't kill you, and then they call you. Don't know where you did.
You said what?
People won't kill you, sir. And then they call you to know where you did.
Uzoma. Please. I have done so much for you.
Yes, sir.
Why not just allow me have my phone? No, let me have my phone, and that is all. You can lock up the door, lock up everywhere. I don't care, but let me just have my phone.
As your boy is humble, sir, now I know say you want to do something. You want to call your phone, maybe for pick up police for me.
No, I can't do that. No, I know you are saving my life, please. Please, help me.
Greg is very wicked. He's very wicked.
Since I start working for him, he has not even bought a car for me. His family based in America. Then I am here suffering for him as if I'm a church mouse. Other politicians are paying better. So he must be eliminated this season.
See, Ogagent.
And let the other man become the senator.
Ogagent. Why not we go straight to his house and do this? Because we are just wasting our time. I know we are taking a very big risk here. And one thing I want to let you know is that I hope say our money, our kaluba is in tight. Because when we are through with this, if you bring that your story come out, you know say it's a bit talk story. And then I go let you know say I will walk. No be church walk. I didn't make a guy lose over sack.
See, Chief is not even picking his car. By now, he's supposed to be here.
Guys, Chief might have taken another road. And we are here wasting our time.
No road. This is the only way he will pass to his polling unit.
Ogagent, are you sure? Are you sure that
the
Chief
driver is here with us?
Are you sure that Chief must follow this road? Because I know why I'm telling you this. We have been wasting a lot of time and we didn't see anybody.
He will pass here. Trust me.
Dog, go inside that motor. Make sure go inside it. But Ogagent, are you sure? Because we have wasted a lot of time.
Take her away from this place.
Sir, I know say you want to arrest me. But the thing what I do, now only this God and I know. Now only this God and I know the good thing what I do.
And what about the one I have done? Eh? What about... Take this girl out of this place. I don't train foolish
people. You have to remain silent. Whatever you say here you do, we use against you in the court of law. Now move.
Move away. Take her away.
Move! Move out! Nonsense. You think I train rubbish in this house? Listen, and whenever you come back to this house, don't ever... In fact, you will never remain here again.
Sir, I think you might be making a mistake. We need to talk inside.
I am not ready to listen to any talk for now. I am not happy at all, you can see. I am not just happy. That fool ruined my political career. Look at me. I missed the election. I'm not ready to listen. Look at me. Look at me. No, I want you to look at me. Where am I? Saving rubbish. I'm very sorry about that. So, Chris, yes, sir. What did you say on the phone? That my car was sprayed with bullets?
Exactly, sir. It's by the grace of God that the other guys and I escaped. As we speak, boss, the driver and some other casualties along the roadside when the thing happened are in the general hospital.
Oh my God. Does it mean I was their target?
Obviously, sir. Your car was sprayed with bullets on the day of the election. Obviously, you are the target, sir. They planned to assassinate you.
So, it is true. This girl's dream was true. Do you know that Uzoma told me about her dream?
Oh, she did?
Yes. No wonder that girl locked me indoors. All true. It is not very clear. Her dreams would have been very true. Now, we have to go to the police station right away. I have to bail that girl outright because she has saved my life. Just wait. I will be back in a jiffy. Wait now.
What's going on?
Kilibel, baby, yo.
Why are you dancing?
Baby, the sharp from head to toe.
What's going on?
Cat, Cristiano, baby, yo. There, today now your day. Well, you been yo. Hold on, I'm going to tell you. Just hold on.
Okay.
Baby, more in the heart for me. My woman, my everything.
Please, what is going on? Why are you dancing?
What's going on?
No, baby, just take a very good look at this man standing here. Tell me how much he's worth. No, for real. No, tell me how much did you think this man is worth?
Please, can you start telling me what is it?
You know, all of that toiling, late night outings, staying awake all the time, pressing my laptop, making calls, meeting calls, not having time for you, you know, all those problems. Guess what? It has finally paid off. This man right here is worth long money. In fact, I'm worth 120 million naira first payment.
Oh my God.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. This is not night of 1,000 laughs.
Oh my God! Baby, I'm so happy for you.
My woman, my everything. God has finally done it for us.
I'm so happy for you.
Hold on. I need to get something. Oh, not now. Yeah, hello? Well, I'm okay. I'm just here celebrating with my woman. Oh, really? Oh. We can't skip that later? Oh, okay. All right. Just keep the documents. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, this is not.
They are calling you again.
Yes, my love. I need to, sign some necessary documents for the second payment to be released. But that won't be a problem. When I come back right now, we will head to the car stand. Okay? Select any kind of car you want. Your man with the long money will pay.
You're joking!
I'm not joking. I love you more.
To make this hustle to pay, I'm gonna go right there. Pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down my guy. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down my guy.
Fantastic! Wow. You're welcome. Look at how fresh you are looking.
Wow. It's so good to be home. Man.
Of course, it's good to be home. Gentlemen,
you're welcome.
It's like where you came from, junior. Tap the seniors.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
No, that's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
Alright.
And I could use.
Check in the trunk and get what is inside the house.
The trunk, you carry trunk, come back.
No, open the boot.
Okay, the boot.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get trunk. That's how stars do. And I could use. That's how stars could use. Driver, come and open this in now. You're coming. What about the luggages? No bag, no Americana. By the way, I thought people who come from America, they were native in America. I thought they wear baggy jeans and big polo. Look at you. Chiroko, this one that is not carrying bag. Yeah, well, ready port.
As I was telling you, everything was fine.
That's all right.
Please, everything was okay.
I can see. It's just telling on you.
That,
so, well, yeah,
like
you're welcome.
Right?
Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I know.
What is $1,000?
This must not be this country's shoes. I know that very well. Uzoma. Is Uzoma there? Please come over.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Son, this is the lady that saved my life. Yes. If not for her, you would have been fatherless by now.
Yes. Oh, God forbid. My dear, I so much appreciate you.
Thank you.
You know, when my dad told me the funny way you see his life.
If I said I must come and see this funny girl.
No problem, sir.
God bless you.
Stop calling me sir. My name is Benson.
Oh, okay, okay.
Or you can still call me Ben for short.
No, Ben. No.
Quite a funny, yes, very funny lady. So you can go. You can go. Thank you very much. Actually, I was about dying for something than to live for nothing.
Oh.
So, but she saved my life.
Yeah. She's very good.
Yes, my son.
Dad?
I want you back home. I want you to come home and manage our company. Because I want to relocate to the capital city to enhance my political career.
Dad.
Yes.
Dad, you're very smart. So you wanted me to come back and you had to play pranks on me. Why don't you call me? I will come and manage your business.
Well, that is
my business too.
That is the only way I could get you back home.
Oh, Dad, come of age. Dad,
right, yeah.
lest I forget. This your housekeeper.
Yes.
Please, what's her name?
Uzoma. Is there any problem?
Dad.
Yes.
She deserves a reward for what she did. What do you think?
You are right. You are right. So, what do you have in mind?
Nothing for now, but I will tell you soon. Please call her, let her get me something cheap. I'm dehydrated.
It's alright.
Babe, don't be fooled though. So you mean you believed him?
Juliet, what else do you want me to say?
Men are wicked. Oh. Barely 3 weeks your sister got missing and has not been found. He has made more than 100 million naira. And he can't even explain why he came back with a blood stain on that very day.
He said Okada men were fighting.
Okada men were fighting. Same day your sister got missing. Same day Okada men were fighting and stained his shirt with blood.
Juliet, are you by any chance insinuating that my own blood sister must have been used for ritual?
Regina daughter told me he comes home very late at night and goes out very late. What business could he be discussing so late at night?
Well, you can go ahead and drive cars with your sister's blood. Juliet, stop it right now. You're driving me crazy. Stop. If actually Afam did use my own blood sister for money ritual, I swear I shall make him pay for it.
I don't know, but for me, you don't belong here. I don't know why you're still here in the first place. You shouldn't be staying here anymore. You don't have any business here. For someone who used your sister for ritual. For me, I don't know.
I don't understand. Why are you saying no all of a sudden?
Oh yes, I said I do not want your car. Until you explain to my family and I what happened to my sister. How she got missing, Afam. Yes!
Cello. Let me get something straight. Are you accusing me of your sister's disappearance? Is that what you just said now? Chika, did you just say that to me? Juliet, did you hear what your friend said?
Biko. Mbamba. Uneti call him na middle, please. But Afam, she saw you with blood.
Yes, so I saw him with blood. In fact, Afam, let me tell you, I am leaving your house right now. And I'm not going to come back until you explain to me or you prove to me beyond all reasonable doubt that you did not use my own blood sister for money ritual. Yes.
Me? Chika, are you actually saying that to me?
Yeah? Uzoma, you don't get sense. You don't want to change. After going to police station, Uzoma, you don't want to change. Look at you. You went into the pot and took the biggest part of the chicken without even considering whether your guy have eaten or not. Is that how you behave? I'm talking to you. You are dowering chicken in my bed before.
Yeah. Okwenta. Me and you don't get the same destiny. I don't make them already.
You don't make her.
Even before I come city, I don't already make her. They complain. The risk me I take for go ahead. You be take her.
Even before you came to city, you've already made it. You don't know where people will make and they stay. What are you doing here? Let me tell you, I am going to report you to Oga. Hence, you have decided not to repent. You see this house. Your time in this house is numbered. Your time in this house is knocking crap. I am going to tell Oga they will sack you if you doubt me. Mark it something.
You want transport?
To where?
For your information. This chicken where you see me the chop so. Now Oga and Oga Benson, now give me. Make I tell you what's going to pay your body pass. Oga saying to send me go school.
Oga saying go do it. He go send you go school. To go and do what in school?
To go farm.
Of course. I thought as much. To go farm. I'm even talking. Yo. Come on, give me. Come on, I'm a human being like you. Give me chicken, let me chop. I'm a human being like you. Let me chop chicken. Give me chicken. Give me chicken, master chicken. I'm a human being.
My in-laws. After pouring out my heart, and it's also full of surprises. You see, it's with a broken heart that I'm here today. I never believed that after all the good deeds I did for this family, that they will turn around to call me names. But it's okay. At least now I've learned my lessons.
My son, don't worry. God is watching and he knows the heart of every man.
Exactly. He knows our heart. He knows the truth. He knows everything. You see, all my late night outings was for business purposes. Nothing attached. Was for hustling. So that's basically the reason we all need to, focus. So we don't end up working for nothing. At least we'll try to yield whatever that we have worked for. So we should be careful.
Like we were saying before, how much is involved in this? And how do we make sure this is entering our station?
Well, like I told you, our business is very genuine. We don't collect money because the police or naval officials might interrupt. But once you get to the office, once you get to the station, you can pay us. There's no problem.
See, some of us that doesn't have oil license, we do it stylishly to avoid mistakes so that the business will go well.
Stylishly?
Yes, of course.
Well, if you ask me, I think we all should, try so hard to have the license. It's very important. I believe with a license, you can, proceed with whatever plans you have. So for me, I am fighting so hard right now to have the license. Because that's where all this whole thing is boiling at, having the license.
Yes, and this one pays a lot, I think so.
Yes, it's a good business.
So it sounds like we have a deal now.
Yes,
Let's go. Okay, we'll forward the account details to them.
Liar! Afam, you are nothing but a bloody liar. Liar! I still do not believe. I can never believe you. Never.
Chika, I'm a bloody liar.
Afam, we have heard all you said, but you have to come back with your people.
Uncle, this guy, this man right here, is lying. Yes, he must swear at the village deity. No, Uncle, we're talking about my own blood sister.
So what the wrong? Alusi bata, let's go anywhere and swear. There's no problem. Nabala Alusi also, my hands are clean. Let's go and swear anywhere.
Okay. I will show you why I am called the tigress.
Yes.
Well,
Afam, our in-law, we heard all you said on how you have been doing heaven and earth for this family. And the ugly story you told us about our daughter Chidemma, my own daughter Chidemma, whom I always send an errand to purchase snow for me. Huh? Well, we have to make you swear before our shrine to prove you are innocent.
That's all, Uncle. That's all.
Tell me when we are going to swear. We'll go and swear.
Get out. Get out. Get out of my compound. Ekako. He's talking to you. Start leaving. Start leaving. Start leaving.
I should get out.
Get out.
I should get out.
Get out.
Mama, Emma, this is your fault. I've seen the kind of person you are. That's your daughter. You train your former. You train her well.
You are mad like this.
I can count how many cars that have been carrying your daughter. Different men, different places.
You are mad. You are a
if you say the truth, let her say it.
You are mad.
How many cars?
You dare talk to my daughter.
Mama Chika. Mfria na car. Oh God, that your daughter. You didn't train her well. You did not train her well.
Mashika is okay now.
But you see, the God we serve. The God we serve will vindicate you before.
Go.
Mashika.
Mama, wait. Mama, don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself.
Pour me some water. Look for water. Pour me water. Pour me water. So bad. Pour me water. I killed your daughter.
Can you go? Can you go?
I'm not talking about.
Can you go?
I'm not talking about.
Can you go?
I'm not talking about.
Can you go?
Mama Chika, I'm not talking about. Mama Chika.
Which one?
I'm not talking about. Mama Chika.
Oh, no, go. Which one?
I'm not talking about.
Hey!
Onyuoshi, this man is not even remorseful.
Madam,
Hi. Mba.
You show him something.
How's the God to even insult my mother?
I assure you, after swearing our shrine, he will see the implication of what he had done. He came here telling us, Chidemma. He has been doing heaven and earth to this family. What does that mean?
Okay now.
Yeah?
Bali.
He must swear before our shrine.
If I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga.
Oh yeah, so you don't know. Hey! God, thank you. God, thank you. Hey, what? Yeah. This was how I done when I fought for you before. Enter. Yeah. Hey. Who's that? Hey. When I heard your voice, I gave them this. Hey.
My Oga said, before I talk or before I even sit, I should deliver his message. Who this one?
Yeah! This is Ojula. Hey, who's that, mom?
My Oga said this one from him. This one from his son that just came back.
Give it to me one by one. I know you don't want to leave it. Hey! This is money.
Yes.
I know you will make it. You are a very smart girl. Anyhow is a how. Let's go. Enter again. Boom. Let's go inside. Yeah. Go. Let me follow you. One by one.
Oh. Akwa n'ozizi m ka m na-eji ihe ọbụla ikwuru ka m na-eme. Afam, step in here. Remove your shoe. Carry this pot.
I don't see what I was using come near Jay, yes, him cook on the cool again. Say after me. If I know anything about Chidima's disappearance.
If I know anything about Chidima's disappearance.
Or use her for money ritual.
Or use her for money ritual.
Or having been into any ritual in my life.
Oh, Gola.
Say what you do. Shut up, you. Talk to him.
My son. Oh, Gola.
Or haven't been into any ritual in my life.
Let me die before the 3 market days.
Let me die. Let me die before the 3 market days.
Oh, how can you come near the organization? Let me warn you. Do not take this oath for granted. Because the deity of our land is not merciful. Oh, drop this pot.
Juliet, my sister, it was yesterday night I heard a knock at my door. As I opened, I saw Chidima, Chika's sister, the one that got lost.
Wait, Cherry. Chidima.
Yes.
Chika's sister.
Chika's sister.
Wait.
Chika's sister is still alive.
You mean Chidima is alive?
She's alive. But she was looking so dirty and unkempt. I was even afraid. I was scared if she was not a ghost. Nne, as I speak to you now, Chidima is in my room sleeping. She told me how she got into a fine jeep with a fine boy. As a lift, my dear, all of a sudden she found herself inside a thick forest where she met other girls tied on a tree and their mouths sealed. It was only God that helped her to escape. In fact, she was raped. I'm telling you.
You mean Chidima was raped?
Yes, Chidima was raped. In fact, it took her days to escape from the bush. Until she met one man on a canoe at the river bank who helped her and saved her. After this man took her to the hospital for she to regain her senses back. Just join me to thank God that this girl did not die.
Why is this world so wicked? Why? You know what? I need to see her now. Do you know what Afam has gone through? Afam has gone through a lot. You need to take me to your house now. I need to take her to the village immediately so Afam can be vindicated though. Hey!
Let's go. She's in my house sleeping. She's in my house.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you.
Mama! Mama!
Who is that?
What is it? What is it? Chidima.
What?
Chidima, it's alive.
Ah! Yes. Where is she? Which Chidima? Here she comes. And then, you're alive. Mama, she's alive. Mama, Mama, calm down. Chidimma, stand up, let's go inside. She has a lot of trouble to tell.
No matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good he always thinks for a way forward. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best you. No matter what you do, it's always being good.
So the prodigal daughter has finally... No, don't come close to me. So, I'm no more a ritualist. I do not suck blood at night. So you people who subjected my name, called me all sorts of names, because I decided to help your family, because I found love, you called me a ritualist for something I know nothing about. You see, I've come to realize that so many people in the prison are guilty of something they know nothing about. I could have been jailed. I could have been killed. You see, when I was invited, I said to myself, I must come and witness this. I must come and look you in the face and know why you did what you did. Why?
I'm sorry.
Do not say you are sorry. Why?
Please forgive us. Forgive us.
I should forgive you, Mama. No, you don't need to lie down. You see, I have learned my lessons. And deep down, I have forgiven this family. I will let things go.
Thank you.
And leave everything in the hands of God. Who am I to hold grudges against you? If God can forgive us, who am I? And the elders that subjected me to taking oath, I also forgive you.
Thank you, Ngam. Thank you. God bless you. Magic, I got it. Oh yeah, Biko.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best you. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. A better heart is the best to you. Why did you do that? If for so long see me pay, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, good to you all the way. Onyopio mage melele manoa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best you. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. duo. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good duo. It's good. It's good. A better heart is the best yo. It's best. It's the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good duo. A good heart is good. Amani selelele yo ko. Ogomu melo ye buzinu munenu wa. Aye jizimbabu eroko. No matter what you do, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. It's good. It's good. A better heart is the best yo. It's best. It's the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to. It's good. It's good. A better heart is the best yo. It's best. It's the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good to. A good heart is